Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Shahidul Islam Shahed, ID 241-33082, Section B, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today I discuss resonance circuit. What is resonance? Resonance is a phenomenon in circuit where inductive and capacitive resonance cancel each other. This happens at a specific frequency called the resonance frequency, where the circuit behaves purely resistivity. Resonance circuits are of two types, series and parallel. In series resonance, components are connected in series and at resonance. The circuit impedance is minimum, allowing maximum current. This is used in filter and turning circuit. In parallel resonance, the components are in parallel and impedance is maximum, minimizing current. This is used in oscillator and frequency stabilizer. Resonance circuit have many applications. Radio and TV tuner use resonance to select a specific frequency. Power factor correction in AC circuit. Wireless charger use resonance for efficient energy transfer. Resonance used to amplify a specific sound frequency. In conclusion, resonance circuits are essential for efficient signal processing, energy transfer, and performance optimizing in virtual device. Thank you.